Thank you, Alexei.
ESA astronaut Luca Parmitano, who arrived at the International Space Station in July, will soon play a leading role in a highly complex series of spacewalks. He will repair the alpha magnetic spectrometer, or AMS-02, a particle physics experiment mounted to the outside of the space station. 3 of its 4 cooling pumps now need replacing. Making these repairs by extravehicular activity, or EVA, will be extremely difficult.
It's a combination of things that makes this EVA so challenging. You have certainly an access problem. AMS is in a remote area without handles or locations to hold on to because it was not made to be repaired EVA.
0 and liftoff for the final.
AMS was carried to the space station on the final flight of Space Shuttle Endeavour in May 2011 and installed by ESA astronaut Roberto Vittori using the shuttle's robotic arm. As the most sophisticated particle detector ever sent into space, AMS allows scientists to find dark matter. To date, it has detected over 100 billion cosmic particles, greatly enhancing our knowledge of the universe. When the decision was made to extend the instrument's life, a series of specialized tools and novel spacewalk techniques had to be developed. At the Johnson Space Center in Houston, experienced spacewalker Luca Parmitano played a key role in this process.
I've been lucky enough to have been part of the development team from the beginning, initially just as a consultant and then actually getting closer to the team in using me as a test subject for some of the tools. They've been incredibly receptive to our suggestions and responding to our ideas. It's been exciting.
Working inside a spacesuit in microgravity poses many challenges. Luca and his NASA colleague Andrew Morgan trained on specialized equipment to recreate working conditions in orbit, such as the Argos system, which effectively removes gravitational force to create a simulated EVA environment. Numerous underwater sessions in NASA's Neutral Buoyancy Lab gave Luca and Andrew a working knowledge of the space station's exterior, rehearsing fully suited operations on a mock-up of AMS. This level of training ensured that by the time of launch, both astronauts were ready to push the limits of what is possible in orbit.
We're going to perform what could be considered open heart surgery on this amazing experiment. We're going to cut tubes and then fuse them with other tubes that we're going to bring from Earth and install a completely new pump to help the refrigeration work, keeping the magnet cold so that the alpha magnetic spectrometer can work.
Drawing on his extensive training and experience, lead spacewalker Luca will begin work with Andrew on this most challenging series of spacewalks, continuing until the alpha magnetic spectrometer is fully restored, allowing it to explore our universe for many more years to come.